Hey guys, Grease Monkey 34 here. Come to a video about my old utility trailer. It changed from the last time you guys seen it online when I redid it. And now I got sides. These fenders I made out of old truck box, the plastic ones, and I put a metal outside so you can even stand on it. Plate holder I moved back here. It's still, the whole thing still tilts. And I got these arms come down here. They can go up and down with a pin to steady it out with the jack on the front. Yeah. So how it works is you lower the jack all the way down, you drop the back legs, and you raise this back up, and the whole thing level itself. So that kind of nice. But today we're going to be because it tilt deck. This the winch on top, I want it attached to the deck, so when you go up and down, the winch go up and down. Right now the winch is connected to the frame, which doesn't move at all. So I'm going to move that, and I'm going to weld just a piece of heavy-duty square tubing right to the frame right here, and that'll be good enough, I think. And mount that to that. Another thing I want to do today before this is this whole front piece. I want to like cut it here, not cut all the way through, but bend it on like a 45-degree angle, 30-degree angle, so you can drive a quad front tires up on a pad up on top here. So you got more room to put a second quad. I wanted to see if I can fit 2 quads on the trailer, because it's a 10-foot trailer. Most of the quads I got now are about 4 feet wheelbase, and about 5 feet long. So if I can get one quad, like the small quad, up on top, then there should be enough room for a second quad. But we'll see. But first, I'm going to cut this off and unbolt it, and I'll be back. Okay guys, got it chopped off. As you can see, I'm going to clean up a little bit more and paint it black. Now I'm going to take the grinder and cut this little bit off and then bend it out a little bit. So let's get doing that. Okay guys, got it cut off. Cleaned it all up on the edges. Cut this little brace piece holding all the boards on. Just took the chunk off on the front. It's not needed. And grind it all down nice and so the weld can stick. Now I'm just gonna take this piece, cut it because it looks like a pretty sloppy end out of my scrap pile, and weld that to there, just like that. So I'm gonna get to clean this up and pull out the welder and start welding. Okay guys, got it nice and on there. Nice welds all around. So you can put anything on there now. So now the winch is bent a little bit here. I'm gonna rebend it and then bolt it right up on there. There's still enough room for your hand to clear around, so yeah. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna cut these bolts off a little bit shorter because I don't need them that long. Okay guys, got it somewhat together where I wanted it. So this is what I'm looking at. I just cut that one off, so I didn't really want to use it because it's a little thinner metal. This is a little thicker stuff, so I'm using this. Welded onto the frame there. I tack welded it mostly. That comes up to here, and then got this bar running across, and then these separate bars. Put the slap on there and weld them on mostly to tie everything together. But yeah. Okay guys, got her all welded in around here, the corners. I'm liking the look of it. I'm going to have to change the one thing down here at the winch. Just move this handle in a little bit, but that'll be fine. What else? And I'm going to make some foot pads now. and see how it works. Okay guys, this is the next day. Got it, you can see it really good now. I got this little track right in here. Only other thing I want to put here is another little pad from here to about here. Little pad from about, little steel plate from here to here. So the tire will go against it, and then you put a strap over it. From hook to hook mostly. And I want to put another piece of steel like this from the bottom to here so the tire can ride up it. Yeah, until I get some wood and put down the sides. But yeah, the plan for now. So I'm gonna get through doing that. Okay guys, got it welded in. Found some steel plates I used and a piece of angle iron I bent. As you see, that's the tire right there. Sits in there pretty nice. And this is the extra piece I welded in. So, yeah. Should be strong enough. And I'm going to add another link up here for another tie down point, and that's mostly it. Okay guys, I thought of it and I made some little attachment points. I'm going to weld probably like somewhere under here. Like that. And then I'll be more secure on the front side. So on the back side, I'm just going to use these hooks here. I'm just going to bend them up. But okay, I'm going to get the weld nose on, and then I'm going to see if I can drive a quad up on. Okay guys, going to drive up there now. I was going to use the Polaris Cyclone, but I couldn't get it started right now. But I got the Yamaha Big Bear. So we're going to put that up there, a little bit big for it, but we're going to test it anyways. So let's see how it works. That wasn't too bad at all. Oh, I should have came over a little bit more. But yeah, she's up there. A little bit heavy for the car on the rear, not on the front. But that was because there's no other like a second quad on the rear yet. But yeah, I think a second quad will fit in the rear. Okay guys, got it. So I got that done. So got the straps on and see how the straps go. Hook it on there and go around the tire, and it hooks onto that one. So it's nice and solid on the trailer. So yeah, that quite big a quad for the front. I'm thinking this quad is gonna be on the rear all the time because it's heavier than the rest. This one can go in the front, it's lighter, and that one can go in the front too because it's lighter. Because this one is lighter because the engine on this one is in the rear more. As you can see, there's like no weight on the front end of this quad, so it's better for on the front. But yeah, so that goes up there no problem. I want to make something for the rear, like a rear cargo rack or something out of this old table thing someone built. So I'm going to go in the back here, going to extend it about a foot to 14 inches more on the back. So if you got like extra stuff, you can throw it on the back, strap it down. And the design for that, I'm going to take some of this 1.5 inch square tubing. And there's like a nice little pocket in here. Slap it in there. I'm going to cut it about 10 inches with a hole in the center. Weld it onto the main frame, same on this side, and take some of this 1 inch square tubing, add it to that, and so it sticks out and it'll slide inside this one. So you will just pull the pin and the whole thing slides in and out like a trailer hitch. So yeah, I'm gonna cut this up and I'll show you guys what I'm working with. Okay guys, I want to keep you updated on it. So I got these little channels cut out, about a 1/4 inch sink down, as you can see. And I got the square tubing. It fits right in the channel, nice and level at the top. So I'm just going to weld it in. Same with this side. I made sure I took some tar and I put it in on the wood so it's not going to rot or anything. So yeah, I'm going to weld that in and then I can build off that. Okay guys, got it welded in. Got the pieces welded in both sides. And now I started on the 1x1 square tubing. Just yeah, just a standard. It comes out about a foot and it's 49 inches or 51 inches wide. Now I'm just gonna cut this up. I'm gonna keep the center rails, try to keep them intact, and cut a piece and put it in there. Okay guys, it was pretty late last night, so didn't get to record anything, but this is the next day. I got some grating welded on and some extra bar pieces to make it a little bit stronger in some places, especially where tires go. And yeah, it all welded on all around the seam. And just gotta take the angle grinder and grind off these sharp edges around, and that's most of it. Other than drill a hole in this in here to put a pin so this won't fall out. Plus I up here I welded in some more anchors right in the center of the trailer. So I got one's here, one's here. So I want some in the center. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna grind this away, the sharp edges, and drill some more holes. And I'm thinking maybe a top support down here, this is almost like a tailgate almost. So I'm thinking like a cable support or something. I'll see what I come up with. Okay guys, I got it painted. I added the chains. I decided to bolt it, not put pins. Same with here. It goes all the way through the trailer and right underneath here, because it's more secure. Plus I don't want it to ever fall off. But yeah, and I've added some safety tape, some DOT stuff. So yeah, you can stand right up on here and bounce all you want. You're not going nowhere. Yeah, but yeah, I think that all I got to do to the trailer. And let's load it up with 2 quads and see how it goes. Okay guys, got both them loaded up. I didn't realize this rack comes out a little bit more, so about 4 inches of space back more, but that way we got that little bit on the back. But yeah, she loaded up. The Honda Suzuki quad is around 300 pounds, and the Yamaha Big Bear is around 570. So especially with these executioner tires. So yeah, most about 50 pounds of weight on the trailer hitch. So I can lift it up no problem if I need. So that I can just a little bit of weight on the car at all you need. If you got too much weight on the rear, it will start swaying. So this should be a perfect amount. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. And that was how to add on stuff to the trailer. Accessories. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.